Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a cool neon syntax effect using only HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, no images, just pure CSS magic. In HTML file, we add a basic boilerplate code, and in the body we add a div with the class wall. The wall div is like a background container. Next we add a div with the class sign. This div groups all the text elements of the neon sign together. We add a heading is the biggest headline text. Class neon applies the pink glowing effect plus flickering animation. It's the main word in your sign. Next we add a h2 heading with the class script, give it a blue cursive neon glow. We add a paragraph with the class tiny. Class tiny makes it small white glowing text. Now we move to our CSS file. We design our root using CSS variables, makes the whole design themeable. Change pink or blue ones and the glow colors update everywhere. BG is our wall background base color. Now we set box sizing to border box, makes padding border predictable. Height to 100% on HTML body. Let us vertically center content later. Dark background is crucial. Neon glows pop against darkness. Font stack falls back cleanly if Google Fonts fail. Now we design our wall. Display grid, place item center, perfectly centers the sign. A radial gradient soft vignite painted above the image. The brick wall photo cover plus centered. After adds another subtle vignite to darken edges even more. Makes the neon looks brighter by contrast. Pointer events none. Ensure the overlay never blocks click. Now we design our sign class. We give it a position relative, translate to 0, nudges the element onto its own composite layer, often smoother animations. Now we design our neon class. We give it a margin 0, font weight to 900 and font size to clamp. What is a clamp? Clamp makes the size responsive, never smaller than 64px or bigger than 220px, but scales with viewport 12VW. WebKit to text stroke stimulates the neon tube edge. Multiple text shadow layers, increasing blur, create depth, close, hollow, far bloom. Animation flicker pink adds an irregular flicker like real neon. Now we design our script, margin to 0.2 em and font family to Pacifico, font weight to 400, and again we using font size to clamp. Text shadow uses a script font for contrast against the bold neon. Same glow principle but blue, slightly different animation timing so both lines don't flicker in. Now we design our tiny table. Small uppercase tagline with the wide letters spacing, signage vibe. Steady glow is a gentle pulse, no flicker so it does not distract. Now we design our flicker animations. Flicker is stimulated by brief dips in opacity at irregular percentages. This randomness is what sells the neon feel. A tiny filter drop shadow on pink adds extra crispiness to the hot spot. Blue uses a different rhythm so that two lines don't blink together. Now we design our sign before. Two soft radial gradient pink and blue sit behind the text to lighten up the wall like real neon spilling text. Blur to 14px spreads the aura. Z index to -1 places it behind dot signs content. Bloom gently scales, brightens the aura for a breathing effect, subtle, not flashy. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you like it. You can easily make neon text sign animations using just HTML and CSS. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.